Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how we can turn on Wi-Fi on Windows 11 PC. So if you click on the network icon here on your computer, you can see Wi-Fi option here. So you can just click here and turn on the Wi-Fi, and you will be able to see all these Wi-Fi connections. But if you are unable to see Wi-Fi option at all on your computer, then let me show you how you can fix that as well. So let's see. So right now I do not have Wi-Fi option at all on my computer. So in that case, what you gotta do is press Windows and R on your keyboard, and here type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Now this will open network adapter, and you should be able to see your Wi-Fi adapter. So as you can see here in my computer, Wi-Fi adapter is right now disabled. So you can just double click this adapter to enable it, or select the adapter and click on enable this network device. Let me enable it. It is now enabled, and after that is enabled, you should be able to see Wi-Fi option now. So just go click on Wi-Fi option and click to your Wi-Fi network. So this is how we can turn on Wi-Fi or enable Wi-Fi adapter in Windows 11 PC.